Well, hi everybody, it's Doug. First and foremost, thank you everybody that joined and subscribed recently, and thanks to Helpful Lockpicker for featuring me on his channel to bring attention so that you could come my way. Thank you also to my existing subscribers. Always appreciate everyone, and hopefully we'll keep you guys entertained. Now, today is Quick Pick Thursday. We're going to do a quick pick on this, and after, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of transformations on some locks that I bought. Came in grimy, came out shiny. So we'll show you about those as well if you stick around. This is a Yale that I got in one of my acquisitions. A whole bunch of locks for almost nothing. You'll see that in a previous package opening. This is a wafer lock. You can actually see, if you look in, you don't see pins, you see those gold looking wafers. Now, wafer locks respond pretty well to wave and these snake rakes. So I'm going to start the short way by giving you a very quick pick, hopefully, with the wave, or the snake. Okay, if the snake's not working, then we go to the wave. That would be this one. And sure enough, we're in. We threw the tensioner, but there we go. So, when in doubt, don't be afraid to switch rakes. Now, I want to give you a legitimate pick as well. So that'll also be a very quick pick. And we need some bully force on these older locks. So we're going to go in with a diamond, half diamond to be exact. So we'll get our tensioner in place. Give a little more tension than we would with raking. And I'm going to start with one. Got a set right away. Two. Gave me a set and a little counter rotation. That was interesting to see. 3, and I'm in. So basically, one of those wafers didn't really need to be set, or was pretty close to set. So that's our quick pick Thursday. Let's move on to some of my recent acquisitions. So I'll try to put a picture in the upper left-hand corner here showing you the before. Let's start with less of a dramatic one, but a beautiful lock all the same. This one. Now, this, I've been told by William Mansell, is actually from the late 1890s, no later than 1906. So this is a Yale in town, and after the grime was removed, we could see the Stamford, Connecticut up there, and the Yale in town manufacturing. Beautiful lock. This is one of their specialty, we would call a lever lock, believe it or not. It is not just your standard warded lock. Not within my picking capabilities yet, but thanks to, again, tips from William Mansell, I'm working on it. So that is transformation number 1. Now this next one came in so grimy you couldn't even see anything on it, as you can see. As I was cleaning this off, it brought back such beauty that I was absolutely impressed. And here is the after. This was normally copper coated. We still have a little bit of that on the shackle and on the front, but this is a Yale model 326. The back also exposed. It just says basically the Yale in town manufacturing company, Stamford, Connecticut on the back there. I know this should be openable, and I have not been able to get it open by standard warded lock methods, but I do have a whole bunch of keys, and I'm going to see if I can pare one down to turn it into a pared down skeleton key for this one. So keep tuned, stay tuned for that one. This next one was also very grimy and rusty, and you'll see a picture of the before on that one. This one came out so gorgeous, and again, as I was cleaning it up, it exposed independent lock company. That I gotta look over here. Lock company, something. I don't know. Something Minster, Mass, and then the beautiful back. So this, the brass shackle, the steel body, all the rust came off, and look at that one. This one is also so far beyond my picking capabilities because you have to tension this by putting it into a vise and tugging on this while picking the levers. And I still have to get an idea of how to hit the levers because they're like over here, over there. We'll take a look at that one in the future. And finally, this one. You could see it just looked like a beat up old, I don't know, old-fashioned lock. Look at how it came out after a bath in vinegar. Beautiful Corbin logo and beautiful stippled body, the brass shackle, and made in USA right there on the shackle. In this one, it seems to be a one lever lock. So it still can't be picked. You can't just shove something in there, but with a lever style pick, this one I made from some music wire, get in there, catch the lever, and pop it open. There we have. So there are my cleanups, my latest cleanups. Thank you everybody for joining me. We had a quick pick Thursday. We had a tour of some cleaned up beautiful locks, and we have our favorite friends out there paying attention and subscribing. Thank you everybody for joining me. Please do like. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and do comment. I love to hear your comments or read your comments, and I will be writing back to you guys in response to those comments. Thank you, everybody. Have a great one, and take care.